stop it, cease and desist with the loud noises. So I'm trying to abide by that because yeah, I do not want the 5.0 here again, basically. So let's get this thing pulled out and we'll get it winched onto the trailer. That's why I have this Suzuki, you know. Plow the driveway, it's quiet, it's got 4-wheel drive, it's torquey, and old cars like this, nice and quiet. So let's get this thing into the Legion so I can get it onto my truck and trailer. Jeep. Now it's going this way. She's coming back. There we go. We're almost to the road. Now she's going towards the fence. No, don't hit the fence. Oh, almost. Now it's gonna try to hit my Camry. I tried to lock the steering, but it won't lock. Oh, it's gonna down. Close. But no, she just missed the house. So now we just have to look for traffic. You know, it would have been, oh! Oh, just hit a Suzuki. No traffic. Oh, she's low. Come on, little Kia, come on. All right, we're off the road. Look at the front wheel. Oh God, I should have somebody in that Kia. It's way over there now. Don't do it, don't do it. Don't hit the Legion. I think that's good enough. Woo, that was a bit risque. I'm happy, now I can load it in the shade as well. So now we'll start the Dodge up. Actually, no, the first thing we'll do is we'll unhook the Suzuki. I think that tire almost went flat from being pulled sideways. Same as the front tire. But meh. Top hat's still on there. Everything's going good. Everything's going great. Now we just have to start the truck up and we have to load this thing onto the truck and trailer. So the guy that actually owns this car, I don't know if he's going to be home today, but he really hasn't even seen it yet. So I'm kind of excited to see what he thinks now. When I seen him, he told me I'm probably just going to scrap the car. I don't think it's going to be good for demolition derby. But honestly, I've heard some really good things about these cars in the derby ring, that they're extremely tough, especially with the front sub. Once he sees it, maybe he likes it a whole heck of a lot more than what he did when I took it. We'll have to bring it to him. Maybe we can rev it up at his house. So let's head down there. Got one more strap to put on and we'll head down there and see if he likes it. Well, we made it here, but nobody's here. So we have Cassandra inside the car. She's going to start this thing up to show you guys actually how loud it actually is. And we're going to drive it up to the house and then park it. And when Glenn comes home, he'll give me a text message. Go for it, honey. Hey, let me hop on the back. That's not very nice.
That thing is really loud. Oh, it looks like she's coming back to try to hit me now. Messing up Glenn's yard, he's not going to be happy. Are you trying to run me over?
No, I'm getting you to get in.
Let's go! Ooh, this is terrifying with my wife driving. So all in all, this Kia was actually a pretty fun build. Yeah, I actually think it's going to be pretty tough with the front frame like this. Huge shout out to Archambault Derby Supply for getting me custom pieces to make this ride actually really cool for Tucker. He's never had one of these windows bars before, so that's going to make it pretty cool for him. And a big shout out to them again, because I'm pretty sure that they're the only ones that make Hyundai headers. Made in Canada. So hopefully Tucker and Glenn like the car that they got, because it is a pretty mean Hyundai. They thought it was just going to go to scrap because the e-brake didn't work and they didn't really feel like building it because they didn't think it was going to be tough. Once it's built, they came over and looked at it and they were like, wow, I really like this Hyundai. So hopefully they like it now. It's been painted. I don't think they've seen it since it's been painted. So hopefully they like it. And hopefully we are able to get it into the Derby ring in 2020. And don't you guys, girls and guys, worry. I will be getting a GoPro inside this. So thanks for watching, everybody. And we'll see you back here tomorrow.